guess who forgot to press record? Basically my kickstart on the Bantam isn't springing back, so I've probably got it wrong when I've installed it. So let's strip it out and have a look. Right, whilst that case oil is draining, get this off. Smack you in the face. What's going on here? What size is that? That's probably bloody bikes. Fair whack of wear on that. Supposed to be 3/16 Whitworth. 7/16 spanner fits better. The joys of working on old bikes. There we go. Come on. Yeah, let's kickstart off. I'll get all these undone. Yep. Right, so I wonder if we need to take that spring. Can you actually see there? Let's bring it around a bit. There's a kickstart spring. I wondered if we need to bring it around one more turn. If I'm going to be able to get that out of there, am I? Yes, I can. Can I rotate that 360 degrees? That is a question. Just won't do it. Bugger. So what I need to do is wind that around. One more turn if I can. My fingers won't go behind the bloody primary. Let me have a think. So, clutch off. I've got a homemade clutch tool out and get it behind so that's enough. There's another spring. Come on, you know you want to. There we go. Spring off. Tool off. Springs go everywhere because that's what they do. Horrible designer clutch this. You see bits fall off everywhere. Like that. What a pain in the hoop. I'll give all of them a wash, get the grit out of them. Alright, so that's all my cups. Missing a couple of springs. Missing another spring, two more springs, one more spring. Where did that go? Don't tell me it fell in there. Something in there. No, it's a drain plug. Where's that other spring gone? Bear with me while I find that spring. There it is. Multitude of clutch plates out. Clutch plunger. Some people might not like the next bit. Look away then. Too painful. Unfortunately, I don't have the correct tool for that, and I haven't got any spare clutch plates to make one. And we'll get that off. Do we need to get that off? Can we just get enough give on that now?
A few moments later.
Could I get away with just knocking that chain off? I bet I could. Should we try that? For all that pissing about. It's not one of mine. Throw that over there. The bloody hair's coming from. Drop that in the oil. Yeah, that won't go rusty. Right, let's get. I need to do that so it's tighter, don't I? Come on, nearly there. That fucking dowel. go. Let's get that spring to sit properly. There we go. How much better is that? Much better. All that fucking about for that. Righty, get it all put back together.
A few moments later.
Well, the old saying, when you put something back together, there's always spares lying around. Yeah, I had a spare clutch plunger which I forgot to put back in. I wouldn't have minded, but I'd even just got the bloody engine case back on, so I had to strip it all back down, get the clutch apart again, put the plunger in and put it all back together. What a day. So everything's back together very quickly because it is starting to rain. I don't want to get wet. That's working as it should. Excellent. Thanks for watching. Yeah, and just as I was finishing it off, it started to rain. Yay, first time in weeks. Love it.